Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is from Disney kids out there. If you haven't heard, Colourpop has a new collaboration out, and this time around it's with the movie Hocus Pocus. Now I'm pretty sure I can't watch that as an adult because I watched it into the ground as a child. Okay, like that was just a thing. Every year you're supposed to watch Hocus Pocus, right? But as an adult, I'm like, I'm not sure if I can do this again. Pretty much with like all the things I watched as an adult. You know how like the Parkers and Girlfriend and all that stuff is being added onto Netflix. Like I can't rewatch it because I rewatched, like that's literally what I spent my childhood doing, just rewatching all this stuff. But if they come out with a makeup collection, I most certainly can talk and use that. So that's what we're gonna do in today's video. So let's go. So this is what the PR package looks like. I mainly just know that there's an eyeshadow palette, I think liner, everything else will be a surprise. Let's just jump into it. So this is the eyeshadow palette that comes in the collection, but before I open this, I do want to show these two. They're pressed glitters that come in the collection. There's a gold and a purple shade. Like pressed glitter is nice to look at, but I ain't using that in my face today, all right? I'm not trying to deal with the aftermath of having to remove pressed glitter, but let's look at the palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. I mean, the inside does give me, you know, spooky season, Hocus Pocus. I'm looking at some of those shades though, but hey, we're about to find out. So I'm gonna start with this shade on Toast. There's no mirror in that palette, so I'm gonna use this one from Pat. But this makes a very nice transition shade. Okay, all right, Colourpop. And then take this green shade Bewitched just in the front. I'm pointing at the right place, this one, the matte one. And by just in the front, I literally mean like just keeping it like right here-ish. And then this shade, Dead Man's Toe, right next to it, right here. And this shade, Not a Frolic, as my outer shade. Y'all probably already guessed it that the shimmer green is going to be my first lid shade. And then this purple shade. Something's different about this palette, and I feel like just the whole thing is a lot more pigmented than what I'm expecting. Maybe because they are using, you know, deeper colors because we are getting into, you know, fall, winter type of makeup releases. But also there's less like pressed glitter type shimmer colors in here. Most of them are like the type of shimmers I tell you guys I like using. You know, your brush kind of just smooths right into the pan when you're picking it up on it, and it looks a lot more pigmented when you use it on the eye. Okay, Colourpop, I need you to make your palettes more like this, okay? It did come with gel liner. There's green, dark purple, and a cranberry. Let's see. Oh no, this looks more like an orange. Oh, wait a minute. We might end up using that shade for that pop of color today. The green looks like that, and then the purple looks like that. The collection does come with a lip kit. I think it's red though. I'm not sure if I want a full red lip today, but the lipstick looks like this. And then there's a red liner to go with it. See, just a little taste of red, and then we can still keep the lips spooky as well. The last thing in the collection are lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and pop those on. Clever Witch. The lashes are kind of giving kitten heels, you know, like they're there, but did you really do anything type of thing? But, you know, I could see some people who aren't really here for the big, you know, like 25mm lashes rocking these. They're still cute, and you can, it's a good thing that you can still see the eyeliner with these type of lashes on, so, you know, looking for the positive here. But that is it for my face. And listen, this is probably one of the more memorable launches that Colourpop has, and I mean memorable as in a few months from now. Like I could still see people talking about this eyeshadow palette and using some of the stuff in this collection, especially the eyeliners being that we're going into, you know, like fall winter season. I like it. Okay. Okay. It made the theme actually made sense. You know, it was giving Hocus Pocus, and then the actual eyeshadow palette itself, like I said, it seems different than other palettes that I'm used to when it comes to Colourpop. Rude much. It seems different than other palettes that I've tried from Colourpop. Like I said, it feels a lot more pigmented. I like the blend of everything. It feels less dry. And I don't mean dry like, I mean like physically it feels less dry. The mattes were a lot more powdery, and I found that powdery eyeshadows are a little bit more pigmented on the eye, especially when we're talking like my skin tone. Like I said, the shimmers, they're a little bit more like the foil type as opposed to the like pressed glitters that they love putting in their eyeshadow palettes. I didn't try the actual pressed glitters. Well, maybe that's why. Maybe that's why they didn't put them in the actual eyeshadow palette, because they gave you actual pans of glitter. What else? Oh, the eyeliners. They are more metallic liners. You know, like they're not matte gel liners. They're more metallic-y, which I'm not mad at. They look nice on the eye. I told you about the lashes, and then the lip products. Y'all know I love me a good red. Okay, I just didn't want to do red with the look that I did on my face today, but you can never go wrong with red. So yeah, like I said, probably one of their recent launches that I'm most impressed with. Okay, Colourpop. Okay, I'm gonna need you to keep making your eyeshadow palettes like this, okay? Because even that transition shade wasn't ashy on my skin tone, so okay. So that is everything in the collection. That is it for my face, and yes, I did do silver on my bottom lash line, but I like the whole vibe of today's look. I like what it's giving. All right, but yeah, that is it. I hope seeing me test out this collection has helped. If any of you are thinking of checking it out for yourself, let me know if you are a Hocus Pocus fan in the comments down below, or if you've never seen the movie before, don't know why there's all this hype behind it. Let me know all of that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.